keep your hands to yourself. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play Keep Your Hands to Yourself by the Georgia Satellites. So, the chords are very easy. We're going to play an A chord, and you're only going to play the middle four strings, and you are going to play it with your first finger all the way across. I'll show you why in a second. D chord, we're going to play this mostly the first finger too. It's going to go all the way across the first three strings on the second fret. Your middle finger is going to play the second string and the third fret. And to play the E chord, the E5, same. Oh, it's almost exactly the same as the A, except it's on the fifth string, and you are playing the low E. So now back to the A chord. The reason we have to play it with our first finger is it's going to be doing what I call a 5-6 strumming pattern. So you're going to play just these strings. You're going to palm mute it, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the fourth fret to play the sixth of that A chord. Ring finger, first finger, ring finger, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Like that. Now don't yank it back out of the way like I'm doing to show you, but in the right hand, we've got a good solid palm mute going, almost on the bridge. All downstrokes. When you switch to the D chord, you're playing the fourth, third, and second strings. And you're doing that same ring finger routine, only on the third string. At the beginning, there's a really cool effect that they do. They're almost solidly palm muting it. And then as the intro goes on, he loosens up on the palm mute. It's a few more strings. So something like this. You can't really see a difference in my palm. You kind of have to connect your ear to your palm to get the right sound. I'm going to show you a couple of the main riffs. When they get to the end of that first verse, he slides his first finger up on the first two strings to the fifth string. And then with your ring finger, you're playing the second and third string on the seventh fret. After that, you're going to play the third and second string on the fifth fret, again with your first finger, and hammer on your middle finger onto the third string. And then play the high E string, the high A note you got on the E string. Oh yeah, the other riff, you repeat that hammer on with just single notes. Notice my first finger is across the first three strings on the fifth fret. Hammer on with your middle finger on the third string. And then play the E, and then do that whole thing over again. With no space. If you're playing in a band, later on in the song, you're both going to want to play that lick, and the other guitar player plays it down lower. So you're going to put your middle finger on the fifth string, third fret. You have to hammer on with your ring finger. And play your first finger, third string, second fret. Those are the basic elements that you need to play Keep Your Hands to Yourself by the Georgia Satellites. Don't forget to check the links below for a chord chart for this song, tablature for this song, as well as links to other songs you might like to learn. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Keep Your Hands to Yourself by the Georgia Satellites. Thank you for watching. My honey, my baby, don't put my love on the shelf. She said, don't hang no lines and keep your hands to yourself.